Hey guys, my name is Justin Dopel. I'm over here at Parkside Kia just doing an introduction on how to use the Apple CarPlay today. It's pretty simple, easy instructions. You take your normal charger, you put it into the USB port here in the center. Once you plug them both up, it's going to show up on the screen that hey, it's reading a USB. To use the functions and the apps that are available with your Apple CarPlay, just hit the Apple CarPlay button on your screen. And then these will be the available apps that are on your phone that are available to scroll through and use on your Apple CarPlay. So if you're trying to figure out where you're going, you hit your maps. I already had a pre-established route, so that was my way to my house. And then on your phone, you would just hit that, hit the directions button on the go, and then you'll start your directions on how to get there. If you want to get back to your regular screen, you can use any of these apps, any of these buttons on the side, or you can hit the multi button here and just hit the Kia button and it'll bring you back to your Kia home screen. But essentially, that's all you really need to have to do to use the Apple CarPlay when it comes to any of our Kia models. Hope this was helpful. I hope you guys have a wonderful day.